Today I'm going to do the lamp replacement, and the easiest way to do is this two screw, one in here on top of the light housing here, and then the other one on this side here. There's another screw right here. So remove this two screw, and also because of the wire tangled together, so I actually remove this wire for the meter here, and also I remove this resistor, the connection to the pilot light here, so I can take this socket out. So let's do it right now. Need to replace the firelight here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 there. Number 4 here. So in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To change the light bulb for the tuning meter, need to remove these screws here. Okay, the light bulb came up from here now, so just need to take the light bulb out. It's the old one, and just put a new one in like this. So everything works now. You put it back and put a screw back here. Okay, let me do a test right now. Okay, let's try it again. So everything works now. I find a piece of the plastic I can use for support on this jack. So I just need to cut this off and drill a hole so I can re-glue this back to support here. Okay, I got this support piece made already, so I just need to glue this on like this. And the hole is supposed to fit in here. Oops. this epoxy. Just need to make some epoxy here. Okay, I'm gonna set for a little while until it's dry. After repair, this jack worked out pretty good. So it's working right now.